Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aquarius. Queen of Swords, the Hermit, Seven of Wands. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel for few of you all, you feel you need time to reflect within yourselves to gain the knowledge on what needs to be done in your life. You are really struggling hard. You are leaving no stone unturned to gain what you want to gain in life. You are making great effort today. This may be in your work or in your relationship. You are trying really hard, guys. You are going for negotiations. You are facing all kinds of situations with courage in your heart. You just want to overcome your situation. You feel things are not going as you expected, but you are in a good position today. You have the capacity to overcome these troubles, but you are going into great lengths to make things right in your life, guys, and you're working really hard, and you feel you need time to think clearly before you jump into some action. So you want to take time to think within yourself, to put all that you have gained through your experiences, through your past experiences. So whatever knowledge you have, you are just thinking about it, about the lessons of the past, and you are trying to put that into use. Whatever lessons you have learned, you are reflecting within yourself, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. This may be your person's energy today, or this may be your energy, and you are working really hard and you want to take a break, guys. You just want to break away from this struggling life you're having right now. Maybe you're struggling to make things work, or maybe you're struggling to go towards this person in your life. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. It will give us more clarity of your situation. Man, Fox, House. Maybe you are having this struggling kind of feeling in this relationship, because this person you are with, maybe they have a different kind of goal. This person, they may be trying hard to make things work in their work. They may be having different inclinations other than this relationship. That may be the reason here, guys. They may want to succeed first in life. They may be ambitious, so they want to make things right in that that phase of their life, or they are having a different focus. Their focus is on something else, maybe another person, maybe some other challenges or some other ambitions. So they are not there in this relationship for you, and you are struggling to make things come together, make your person come together with you in this relationship. That may be the energy here, guys. Or this person may be seeing someone else. They may be seeing they may be interested in someone else also. That may also be the energy here, guys. So that is the reason you are struggling here. You want that security, stability and comfort in this relationship. You are you are putting your maximum to try and make this relationship that secure and safe and responsible, trustworthy relationship. But with these cards, I feel you are struggling, guys. You are struggling in this relationship. This may be your energy towards this relationship and this person, or this may be your person's energy towards this relationship. Maybe they may be ambitious, they want to make things, they want to succeed in life first before seriously coming into relationship. That may also be the energy here, guys. Let us see what is coming up, what the fairies are guiding us to do, guys. Today I'll be picking 2 cards from this fairy deck. Aquarius, the 3 fates, guys. I hope you can see the cards here. Lady with the Bosch egg. So with these cards, the fairies are guiding us today, guys, that in life we may be having so many regrets of what happened in the past. We feel every day that we should have done things differently to get a different result. Okay, so we want to think of it, we do constantly think of it again and again, but we get a chance every day, guys, to do it all over again. So you don't have to beat yourself up for what happened in the past. You just have to let it go, and you don't have to feel sad for it anymore. So when the same kind of opportunity strikes us, or when the same kind of situation comes up, we need to do things differently. So when you do that, you will know, you will just learn a new way how to handle things in life, guys, and you will be free from your past mistakes. So that is what the fairies are guiding us to do today, Aquarius. And sometimes we may be feeling having some kind of dreams or signs. We may be getting some signs from the universe, some messages the universe will be giving us through some signs, some positive messages. So you need to be attentive for that, maybe through some dreams, something like that, guys. So we will just know what we need to do in any particular situation, and we have to be attentive for those signs, guys, in life. Maybe some of us will be seeing some synchronized numbers like 555, something like that. We just have to know that the angels and fairies are guiding us at that time, guys. So we need to understand that we have angels and fairies all around us, helping us, keeping us safe. So that is the energy with these cards, Aquarius. Thank you for watching, guys. That is the reading for today. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.